In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a debit note in your sales system. This process is essential for anyone handling billing and invoicing, as it allows you to correct or modify transactions correctly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. Start by navigating to Sales from the left sidebar of your screen. This will take you to the main area where all your sales-related documents are housed. Now, look for the Invoices section and click on it. This action will give you access to a list of all past transactions and generated invoices. At this point, you have a couple of options to proceed, depending on your preference or needs at the moment. You may choose a specific invoice for which you wish to create a debit note. This is particularly useful if you have a specific transaction that you know requires correction. Simply locate and select the invoice you are interested in from the list. Alternatively, if you prefer to create a debit note without immediately assigning it to a particular invoice, you can do so by clicking on the Plus New drop-down menu located at the top of your screen. Once you do that, a list of options will appear. Select New Debit Note from this menu. This path allows you to start creating a debit note from scratch without being tied to any specific invoice initially. Now, if you have selected an invoice, the process to create a debit note is slightly different. Once you have your chosen invoice up on your screen, look for the More button. Clicking this will reveal yet another drop-down menu. Here, you'll need to select the Create Debit Note option. By doing this, the system knows the debit note is related to the specific invoice you previously selected, which can help in easily associating the adjustments you're about to record. Next, you'll be directed to the Debit Note page. This area is where you'll need to pay attention to detail. Here, fill in all the required details, such as the reason for the debit note. This could be anything from refunding an overcharge to correcting an error discovered after the transaction. Also, ensure you enter the exact amount that needs to be adjusted. Do not forget to include any relevant tax information that should be applied to this debit note. Properly including this ensures that your records are accurate and compliant with necessary financial regulations. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully created a debit note to correct or update transaction details within your sales system. Taking the time to ensure each field is accurately filled out not only ensures smoother accounting processes, but also keeps your financial records clear and precise. Thanks for tuning in, and happy invoicing.